Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Prime Video, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Amazon Prime Video, begin by navigating to the official Amazon website on your device. Ensure you are logged into your Amazon account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option and following the prompts. Once logged in, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Click on this menu and find the option labeled Prime Video. Select Prime Video to enter the app. On the Prime Video homepage, you should see an option to start your free trial if you are not a member. Click on this option to begin the activation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide any necessary information, including payment details. Once you've completed this step, confirm your subscription. After confirming, you will be directed to the Prime Video interface. From here, you can browse content or search for specific titles. To activate Prime Video on your smart TV, start by turning it on and opening the App Store. Search for the Prime Video app and install it if it isn't already present on your device. Open the Prime Video app and sign in using your Amazon account credentials. If prompted, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once logged in, you can start streaming immediately. To link other devices like a gaming console or streaming device, visit the settings within the Prime Video app. Select Register Device and follow the instructions provided. You might need to enter a code that appears on your device into your Amazon account on your computer or mobile. After completing these steps, your devices will be activated for streaming. You are now ready to enjoy a wide range of movies and TV shows on Amazon Prime Video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.